In this video, we are going to fix a very common issue when running a Windows virtual machine in VirtualBox. Sometimes the virtual machine does not properly enter full screen mode, and the resolution does not automatically adjust. Let's start by looking at the problem. Here we have a Windows virtual machine already running. If we open the View menu, we can see that Auto Resize Guest Display is already enabled, but even with that option enabled, the screen still does not resize correctly. Another option we could try is Scaled Mode, but Scaled Mode is not ideal. It simply stretches the display, and this causes a loss of image quality. Everything becomes slightly blurry. So instead, we need a proper solution, and the solution is to install VirtualBox Guest Additions. Before doing that, let's take a look at something important. If we open the Devices menu and select Insert Guest Additions CD image, we may see an error message. This happens when the virtual machine does not have an optical drive attached. To demonstrate this, we will check the machine configuration. First, we shut down the virtual machine. Now we go back to VirtualBox, select our Windows machine, and open Settings. Next, we move to the Storage section. Here we can see all the storage devices connected to the virtual machine. If there is no optical drive present, VirtualBox cannot mount the Guest Additions ISO file, so we click Add Optical Drive. VirtualBox may show an ISO image that was previously used by another virtual machine, but in this example, we will leave the disk empty. This simulates what you would normally see with a new virtual machine. Now we start the Windows virtual machine again. Once Windows finishes loading, we open the Devices menu again. This time we select Insert Guest Additions CD image. Now the virtual CD is successfully mounted. Next, we open File Explorer. We go to this PC and we can see the VirtualBox Guest Additions drive. We open the drive and start the installer. Now we simply follow the installation process. This installs the drivers needed for better graphics integration between the host and the virtual machine. When the installation finishes, we restart the virtual machine. After Windows starts again, we log in and return to the desktop. Now comes the final step. Press right Ctrl plus F. This switches VirtualBox into full screen mode, and now you can see the difference. The virtual machine automatically resizes to match the screen resolution. Everything looks sharp, no stretching, no blurry scaling. The virtual machine now feels almost like a native Windows installation, and that is how you enable proper full screen support for a Windows virtual machine in VirtualBox. And that's it. Your Windows virtual machine is now running in proper full screen mode. No more stretch display, no blurry scaled mode, and the resolution automatically adapts to your screen. Now your VM behaves almost like a native Windows system. This Windows machine will become a key part of our cybersecurity lab. Here we will install and run access control management software, build security system labs, and also perform binary analysis and reverse engineering. All of this is preparation for the physical security labs on this channel, where we explore the intersection between cybersecurity and physical security systems. In the next video, we continue building our environment by installing BSPWM. We'll go step by step, turning our Linux system into a lightweight, professional workstation used by many security engineers. So if you want to follow the full lab setup, make sure to check that video next, and I'll see you there.